Do you have any mojitos? No? Okay.
Take your time, Sammy.
I'll just have a Diet Coke. Is that too much to ask? Oh my God! What the hell?
Just kidding.
How cute!
Double bow down.
Double bow down.
I want.
But outside, if you're outside, put your back on me. Put your back on me.
My hair is beautiful.
You're humping the bed. Oh dear Lord.
Little girl.
I'm a little girl.
When you wear that, you make a little girl.
Ride with it. Someone's got emphysema.
Yoo-haw!
Listen, doll. You gotta wake up. Meet me in the mall. I'm going down. Don't tempt me with your jokes, baby.
Did you know you live daylight?
Oh no! I cannot go outside anymore.
Like, can we do this? Okay.
Big gulp! I don't need no big gulp.
Kisses.
I would.
Who are you?
I'm the Candyman.
I'm the librarian.
That's a good question.
Are you eating?
Do you realize the hypocrisy of the situation at hand? I don't rightly know.
No. Gizmo.
This is why she drinks. This is why she drinks.